Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time, and boy are we excited. Let's just linger here at the front for a second, check out the beautiful new graphics on this Transcend. They've redone the exterior package, nice black graphic at the front, new side panel graphics as well. See that logo really pops on the Transcend Explorer. Let's get a little walk around there. Still white on the back with the walkable roof. Real nice unit. Let's take a quick look inside. So this is a 240 ml, a 2021. Really cool floor plan. You've got your front bathroom and kitchen in this one. So there's a good look at the corner unit for the sink. Nice farm style sink there. Some cabinets above, so lots of storage. Drawer storage underneath and some more cabinets. Again, your bathroom's at the front, so a nice big shower here. A little shot of myself. Countertop, sink, foot flush toilet, and some nice storage for your linens in there. Sliding pocket doors, real good use of space with that. Now as we slide along here, we see that Grand Design has gone with all Furrion components for their appliances. So we've got a Furrion cooktop range, the Furrion exhaust system, as well as the microwave cabinets on either side. Really good storage, counter space and storage space underneath with the big cabinets and the pull-out drawer for your pots and pans. 12-volt fridge on this one. You got the little dog dish underneath. That's on the big slide. Look at the size of this slide. Nice big space there. Fold-out couch, so you've got room for a couple extra sleepers. We'll swing around right now and take a look at the dinette, which also drops down. You see that faux live edge table there. We've got the options there to flip the cushions around one way or the other. We've got a little example of each if you want the pattern or if you want the plain chocolate brown. There's your TV mounted above with cabinets on either side. Take a quick look up at the bedroom. Queen walk around bed. Lots of space to get around this one too. Nice and easy to make the bed. Shirt closets on either side. Charging stations there on either side as well. Little storage above. Headboards padded for your protection. And you got a light so you can see at night. Find out what's going on. And again, you've got a pocket door in here as well. So you can get a really good use of the space without that swinging door. Now, here's what we're really excited about this one is just a new upgrade that they've put into the Transcend this year. We're going to head back outside real quick and back around to the front of the trailer. So this one now, the Transcend Explorer line coming in for 2021, solar equipped. So there's a solar panel on the roof, about 2x3, and you've got a solar charge controller built into this one as well. You see a look at that nice big pass-through storage. So you're able to dry camp with this one for extended periods of time with that solar panel to trickle charge your battery. So this has been a look at the 2021 240 Transcend Explorer Edition. Taking another look at that nice graphics package on the front. That's it. This is what the new Transcends are going to look like coming in. Beautiful new units.